Hey there, fashion friends. Thank you for tuning into today's episode. On today's episode, we ask the question, what is minimalist style?
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
So, what does minimalist style mean to me? Well, I'm gonna tell you. And to help me with my guidelines today, I am going to be pulling inspiration from the Scandinavian watch brand Nordgreen. So before we get started, if you are not familiar with Nordgreen, they are actually based out of Copenhagen, Denmark. The designer is Jacob Wagner, who is a former lead designer from Bang & Olufsen and Hey Designs. This is not a sponsored video, however, Nordgreen did gift me the product that we will be speaking to today, and as well as that, I will be including affiliate links down below, as well as a discount code. Okay, so let's get started. So to me, style is all about the design, the overall design. I look for pieces that are timeless, interchangeable, and have quality, all of which attracted me to Nordgreen. So let's dive further into those 3 points, shall we? We shall. Okay, so quality. I talk about quality a lot on this channel. For me, it boils down to the materials that are used and the construction. I think in order to have quality, you need to have both, not one or the other, because material is obviously the base and the construction is what holds it all together. And why this is required for me anyways, for a minimalist style, is because when you have a minimalist wardrobe, you have fewer items. You have a more curated collection. And so the idea is that you want to have pieces that are extremely high in quality so that you can use these pieces on a regular basis over and over again and have them wear well over time, or that they can be easily fixed or mended. Speaking to the Nordgreen watch, the one that I have here today is their Style Native. This is a 32mm size. The watch has a gold casing with a black face. The movement is Japanese quartz. The casing is stainless steel and is rain resistant. For the straps, I've got a black vegan leather, which I love. I love that they have a vegan leather option. Not a lot of watch companies have this option, if any. I don't even know. I've been looking and haven't found, so. And a gold mesh strap as well. The watch collections are ethically made in Danish-owned, union-certified factories. They use eco-friendly packaging with upcycled plastics and FSC's certified cartons and carbon-neutral transport. Whew. Yes, all good words. And they have a give and back program where customers can choose from 3 different causes that Nordgreen supports. So yes, some of that's not fully speaking to the quality of the materials or the construction, but it is speaking to the quality of the brand. And that to me is also just as important. Okay, the next one, interchangeable. So what does that mean? For me, it's all about functionality when it comes to minimalist pieces or minimalist style. I get giddy about things that can serve multiple purposes, because again, the idea behind a minimalist wardrobe or a minimalist style is to have pieces that you can have for a really long time. So being able to find pieces that have a lot of different purposes is extremely functional. Yeah, it was a bit of a repetitive statement, but I think I've made my point. So with Nordgreen, they have the interchangeable straps, which is a game changer for me, because then that means that I can buy one watch and be able to use it for several different purposes, or however many purposes you would like, based on the number of straps you've purchased. I've got 2 straps here, so I've got 2 different purposes for this watch. 2 watches for the price of 1. Well, for the price of 1 watch and 2 straps, but you get what I'm saying. I like the idea that I don't have to purchase multiple watches like you would maybe have to do with others. Okay, and the next point, timeless. Timeless actually means without beginning or end, eternal, everlasting. Okay, so for me, when you're speaking to an actual style aesthetic, this is key, having timelessness. I want to have style in a piece that I'm going to love indefinitely. Usually, this means having something that's stripped back so that you are able to actually see the beauty in the small details. So when I look at a Nordgreen watch, it's just that, stripped back to the beautiful bare minimum details. So now I'm able to see the elegant texture of the gold mesh strap or the beautiful simple details of the face of the watch, like how the little minute lines kind of glint in the light as it rotates, or the delicate stitching on the vegan leather strap. The simple lines of the silhouette create an understated, effortless accent to an outfit. Okay, so what is minimalist style? Well, I don't really feel like there is a right or wrong answer to this question. I think it comes down to the person themselves. It's more about what's essential to you, blocking out what's unnecessary and only focusing on what's important. That's why I love minimalist style. Not only an approach to fashion, but an approach to life. Thank you, Nordgreen, for this gift of this watch. I am so happy to have finally found my watch I've been in search for. All right, you guys, that is it for today. I hope that today's episode was entertaining or helpful. And if it was, you know what to do. Give me that thumbs up, comment below, share with friends, and subscribe for future weekly episodes. Okay, make sure that you are staying safe, staying healthy, loving, and supporting each other. Have a beautiful, beautiful rest of your day, and we will be chatting soon. Bye.